Hello, this is a video to show how to export mp4 with alpha transparency in After Effects. This is the last composition we made before. We have removed the green background by using key light. Now the background of this video is removed, and then we can go to Composition, Add to Render Query. We can go to Output Module and click here. To set the output module setting in the file format, we can keep it in H.264 to render mp4 file formats, and then in the video output, in the channel, we keep it in RGB, and then click OK. And then we can define the output location, and then I will rename it to RGB color. And then I duplicate this render setting. In the second render setting, I will click the output module again. In the video output, the channel, we choose alpha. So click OK, and I rename it to alpha. So we got two render settings. One is RGB color, and another is alpha. And then we can start to render. After complete the rendering, we can go to the folder, and we got the two new mp4 file formats. And then if we want to use it in other project or other application, we can, for example, I click a new project. I don't save it. And then we can create a new composition and click OK. And then we can go to the file folder and click and drag the two new mp4 file into After Effects. And then I click it and drag into the new composition. We can check that there's a RGB color mp4. If we want to apply the alpha transparency, we put it in the first layer. And then we can right click here to show the modes. And then go to Track Matte. We can choose the alpha transparency mp4. And then we can click here to make the Luma matte selected to make it transparent. And then we can find some edges is not very good. We can adjust the level to the alpha. Go to Effects and Color Correction. I will choose Level, double click to apply it, and then we can adjust a bit. This is how we can export mp4 with alpha transparency in After Effects. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Artist. See you in the next video. Bye bye.